Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage investment research with Morningstar step by step clearly. Open Morningstar's website or launch the Morningstar app. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the research section in the main menu. Choose the type of investment you want to research, such as stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs. Use the search bar to type in the name of the investment or its ticker symbol. Select the investment from the search results to access its detailed report. Review the overview page to understand key metrics like price, market cap, and ratings. Scroll down to explore analyst insights, which provide valuable commentary and recommendations. Check the performance section to compare historical returns against benchmarks. Look at risk metrics to assess volatility and potential downsides of the investment. Examine the portfolio section if you're researching mutual funds or ETFs to understand their holdings. Use the compare feature to analyze the investment alongside its peers. Take notes on important details and insights while navigating through the research. If applicable, explore additional resources like articles, podcasts, and videos related to your investment. Compile your findings into a structured document for easy reference. Review your notes regularly to stay updated with any changes or updates to the investment. Utilize Morningstar's tools to create custom alerts for price changes or news related to your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.